Brad Williams, Excel primed. Show text between quotes. Here, old school, mid, search, +1, search, 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 search. With this Microsoft Excel 365 deal, we can't break this thing apart internally. The frustration from my perspective. That being said, one, I'm not going to break this stuff down. Read this narrative. Look at the anatomy. Look at the objective. What are we trying to do? Tom wished that. What's our output? Tom wished that. Our objective here is to identify the information between quotes, remove everything else. A little tricky, but with a little bit of persistence, you can work this out. Mind, newer tools, essentially captured all of this functionality and narrowed it down to 3 tools: text before, text after, and text split. Don't rely on those 3 to solve all your problems. Not sure if you can even incorporate those tools to do this job. But that being said, work it out. Break the stuff down. See if you can solve this. If not, either continue reading this particular write-up, a little further investigation here in terms of this structure. Take a look at my formula beginning, intermediate, and advanced tutorials, or try to incorporate text before or text after, see if they work. I have the answer, but I'm not going to share it with you. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.